In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Dubizzle account. If you've decided it's time to close your account, I'll walk you through the process clearly, explain what each choice means, and share a few quick tips to avoid surprises. First, start by logging into your Dubizzle account. Make sure you're signing into the correct profile, especially if you've used more than one email or social login in the past. It's a good idea to quickly review any active listings, saved searches, or ongoing chats before you proceed, because deleting your account will typically remove your ads and may permanently clear your messages and activity. Once you're in, go to your profile. You'll usually find a profile icon or your avatar in the main navigation. Tap or click it to open your profile area. From there, look for account settings. Depending on the device or app version, this might simply be called settings, but you're aiming for the section that manages your account preferences, privacy, and security. Inside account settings, locate the option that says delete my account or deactivate account. You'll often see both. Deactivate is the softer option. It pauses your account and hides your profile and listings without permanently erasing everything. You can usually come back later and reactivate. Delete is permanent. It removes your account and associated data according to Dubizzle's policies, and you won't be able to recover it. If you just want a break, choose deactivate. If you're sure you're done, select delete. Next, follow the prompt on screen. Dubizzle may ask you to choose a reason, re-enter your password, or verify via email or a code. Take a moment to read any notes carefully so you understand what will be removed. If you have subscriptions or auto-renewing features tied to your account, make sure you've addressed those beforehand so you don't get billed after deletion. When you're ready, confirm account deletion. This is the point of no return. Double-check you're working on the correct account, then proceed. The system will process your request and may log you out immediately. You should see a confirmation that your account was deleted successfully. Keep an eye on your inbox for a confirmation email. If you were deactivating instead, you'll get a message letting you know your profile is now hidden and how to reactivate later. That's it. You've now deleted your Dubizzle account. If this video helped, take a moment to review any connected services you used with Dubizzle and update them as needed. Thanks for watching, and take care.